Capture GCS events in BigQuery. Now we are going to track and log Google Cloud Storage events directly in BigQuery and for real-time insights and analysis. And here we are going to see the difference between Cloud Function Generation 2 or Cloud and Functions. Both are same only. To use Cloud Function Generation 2 or Cloud and Functions, simply select Cloud Functions from Google Cloud Dashboard and search for it in search bar. You can find Cloud and Functions and you can select the event-driven serverless functions. Here you can see the difference between the Cloud Functions first generation versus second generation. Cloud and Functions, formerly Cloud Functions second generation, deploy functions as services on Cloud Run, enabling advanced event triggers via event torque and PubSub. In contrast, Cloud Functions first generation offers only basic functionality with limited event triggers and configuration options. The below screenshot shows the Cloud Run first generation and Cloud Run second generation. After choosing the Cloud Run functions, we have to create a service account for events. Two service accounts could be created. One is default service account which is already present and the build service account. To view them, navigate to Cloud Run functions page, click on the specific function, select the details tab where we can see both service accounts. Refer the next slide for screenshot of the service accounts. Below is the screenshot of the service accounts, service account general and build service account. Here our agenda is to capture the event whenever the new file got created in the GCS, the trigger should be created. To get the latest file from GCS each time, choose the trigger type and event type as given below screenshot and choose the bucket below the event type dropdown for which the event to be triggered. Here we are choosing Google Cloud Storage Object event finalized. This event type will trigger an event whenever a file is created in the bucket. Once the cloud functions is created, it will look like below image. The cloud function is created for the respective bucket for which the event to be triggered. Here the GCST pops up is the cloud function. For the corresponding bucket to be triggered is CSV testing LT. We can edit the cloud functions page. Just open and edit the cloud function. Click the name of the cloud functions and open the function details page. Click the edit near the function details as given in the below screenshot. In the configuration section of cloud run functions, choose build and in build service account choose custom service account. So we can choose the custom service account as GCST PubSub service which is created in service account, IAM service account. To upload the source for cloud accounts, click the next in the configuration section and go to the code page. In the code page, choose the zip from cloud storage and create the choose the appropriate input coding from the bucket. So it will choose it here. Once the edit is clicked, it will open the configuration and click next. In the code section, choose the source code from the drop down. In this demo, I choose zip from cloud storage. So the screenshot will be next slide. This is a screenshot to choose the zip from cloud storage. Here choose the source bucket. Here I choose the Python script test where I place the input files. After choosing the file, click deploy in the code section. Select the zip file. The zip file should contain main.py and requirements.txt file. The requirements.txt file contains the input values cloud PubSub, cloud storage and cloud BigQuery. The main file main.py will check for the new file and it will load into BigQuery. The code to capture the event and to store in the BigQuery is uploaded in the below path. Just rename the event capture BigQuery py into main.py and upload it in the source bucket. These are the verification steps. Now load the file in the appropriate bucket from Hadoop using GIF. Once the file is created, the event is triggered and captured in PubSub and BigQuery table. To verify the list, see the logs in cloud function. Once the data is loaded to cloud function, it gives success report like in the below screenshot. Finally, by using the code of main.py, the event from the GCS bucket is captured in the BigQuery table. Here the input bucket is the CSV testing. The new file loader is empty. Its name is CSV file and the event type is object finalized and timestamp, cabinet and updated timestamp. Here I choose the latest timestamp for to which each time the data is loaded. Uh, latest record it can be loaded from the timestamp.